Untangle a strap.
Almost got it.
Untangle a strap is fun for the whole family. No, pull harder.
What's up, everybody?
I have 5 lawnmowers for 1,500 square feet. I think I have a problem. Anybody know how long bifenthrin is good for? I've had this thing for a long time. So I've been pretty much under the weather for the last couple of days, and I got all of that other work done and then had to take a break. I was in bed all day yesterday, just couldn't get out. Fever, no cough, just sick. And even took to the point of getting on the COVID hotline and running through symptoms, and they said there's no reason to get tested yet, but I'm still thinking about it. My kids came back home, and my son had a little cough and wasn't feeling well for a couple of days, and then my daughter got it. So it happened pretty quick, just kind of ran through the house. So I've been trying to just stay put, stay in my own home, not really have any contact with anybody, but I'm definitely low energy and not moving as fast as I was the other day. So I still need to get this project done. I still need to get everything loaded up and put away, and just be ready for work to commence. There's really no rest for the weary when you're a single parent. So hats off to all of you out there that are doing this day in and day out. It is, it's hard and very rewarding, but days when you're just not feeling well, it's more of a challenge, I think, than most people know. So you can see all the leaves and stuff. We had another big windstorm last night. Tiny little bit of rain, and yeah, I'm probably actually gonna not keep the Toro down in the garage for too long. I'm gonna have to bring it back up here and at least get 1 or 2 more cuts in before everything takes place up here. But the entire contents of the shed are right there on the trailer, which is nice. And the next thing we're gonna do is go about taking this thing down. So the kids and I already have a plan, but we're gonna take the trampoline and put it down here for now, so they have at least something to play on, and that'll be that. But I'm gonna say I'm done feeding this for this year. I don't really know that there's gonna be anything else that's gonna go back down on it, so it's been a little while since anything did, since it's pretty much all gonna get torn up. It doesn't really matter. Now, I still do have to jump over the fence at some point and finish out the 4th application. I was stretching this one as long as I could possibly go, which is now, I think we're 7 or 8 weeks right now, so it's only going to end up getting 4 apps instead of 5 this year. Our temperatures are really starting to change fast. We'll have lows in the 30s pretty much every night, and a couple of days here coming up, the temps are only going to be around like upper 60s and low 70s. So snowfall is going to be coming pretty soon. There's actually already a significant amount of foliage that's gone up on the mountainsides. It's already kind of come off on certain places. It happened really quick because of those high windstorms. So we're changing. I mean, there's a tinge of yellow and brown in all the aspen trees. can see, and in the cottonwood trees, and just even up in the little native shrubs around here. So we're moving into official fall. In fact, I think first day of fall is a couple days from now. Alright, so here goes the family project. Both kids have drills in hand, if you can hear that. We're gonna put the right bits on here, start tearing this thing down. It's like a full family event today. Ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Have to lose the bit.
Is that an important job?
And let's make sure you're going the right way. Oh, go in reverse. Take it all the way in there like that.
Like that?
All the way in, yeah. And perfect. There you go.
Okay.
There's the auto picker.
Got a screw, Dad.
Put it in the box.
Take down!
I think I've hit a stopping point today. I keep hitting the wall. Had to go in a little while ago and take a nap. Still not feeling great. A lot coming down. It's really changing. Given the time of year it is, and when things start to shape up, I don't think that we'll get to the walls and the landscaping and everything else until spring after the snow melts. But once the structure's in place and we can start functioning out of there, it's going to make a pretty big difference. So I think I'm going to call it for tonight. Get the rest of this stuff taken care of in the morning, and hopefully feel better. So see you tomorrow.
No, I don't know. I can't do it.
Why?
No. That's some interference.
Right here.
Wow! How big? How big is it? Oh yeah! Like massive? Oh yeah, that's a big one. As an activity.
Want to strap it? a wrap for today. Loaded this place up. Shed's gone. Let's see what else we gotta do. Kids are yelling. It's time to go.